yeah, yeah, yeah. And you only live once, live life, live life. Ay. How can something so wrong feel right?
POJ the beat. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this beautiful wig from Unince. So it did come with these two little purple clips that I didn't even end up using, and then the goodie bag came with the elastic band. It also came with lashes, really cute necklace, and then of course the thing that comes with every wig, the wig cap. So I ended up pin curling this wig on my mannequin head. I just love pin curls, it just hit different for me. But I did end up customizing the wig off camera. If you guys want to see a video, please let me know. But that's what it looks like, guys. Already it looks like scalp. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be cutting off those two little things at the very end. I don't really know what they're called, but it's just gonna help your wig lay so much flatter. And right now I'm just gonna be taking out my pin curl so you guys can see what they look like. So I'm just gonna be taking some of that powder to kind of like create like a border for me. So I actually put the glue where I want it to go, and then also I have makeup on, so it is a little harder. So this is super helpful, and as you can see, it pops up on the other side of your head. So right now what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to be cleaning my forehead with some alcohol because I do have makeup on. Normally when I do my installs I don't, but for the sake of this video I decided to put some makeup on, and then I'm just going to be going in with my bolt holds and with that little stick from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to make I think about 2 or 3 layers. So once this layer dries clear, I'm just going to go ahead and apply another one. I'm going to be placing my lace right on top of that glue, and then I'm just going to take a tail comb just to brush that in, just so I know that my lace is really on top of that glue. So yeah, as you see here, I'm just going to be brushing the wig into the glue just to make sure it's secure. I ended up pulling out some hair a little bit because I do want to get that no baby hair effect, but you still have to cut some baby hairs to get that effect. So I'm pulling out some hair in the front, and then I'm just putting my hot comb on it. Just want to be super careful because I did burn myself, so I'm just kind of like using that to like lay it flat, and then I'm taking my even spray, which I still dislike. I was given another shot, but I don't like it anymore, so I'm just going to be spraying that right between the baby hair and then my lace. So after I cut the lace off, I'm just going to be taking the hairs that I pulled out earlier and just cutting those pretty low. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be curling it just like how I'd curl any baby hair, but I'm going to be taking my Eco Styler gel and I'm just going to be using it just to kind of like push it back so you can get that no baby hair effect in a way, but you can still see a little bit of hair. So I'm just going to be using my pink comb from the beauty supply store just to push it back, so it looks like you have some hair sticking out, but not really. That's kind of the whole point of it. And this is what everything should look like. I hope you guys really enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next one.